I'm Evan Smith with TREMEC Transmissions, and we're out here at the 25th Annual NMRA Spring Break Shootout. The car behind me belongs to this man right here, Yandro Minion. He raced in 3 different classes today. Tell us how you did it, 2 final rounds. Amazing, amazing day for you. The Spring Break Shootout, the TREMEC Stick Shift Shootout, a GT500, and another class that you did very well in. Tell us a little bit about the car and how you did it.
Thank you guys for having me here. It's a 4.6 liter, 281 cubic inch with a TREMEC T56 behind it. It's tuned right here in Tampa, Florida by Lever Motorsports, and just a street car. We can drive it anywhere. Actually, we drove it to the track because we wanted to get heat in some new parts we put in, and it's 100% street car. Go anywhere it wants.
So we watch you out on track today. It looks like a drag car out there. You do really cool burnouts, and then you get the thing in low gear, and you still run an H pattern shifter, right?
Correct, yeah. T56, which is H pattern. We do hold the record for fastest stick shift overall domestic in the world right now, so pretty good deal.
And what was the quickest run you've made in the car so far?
Quickest run a couple weeks ago was a 767 at 184.
That's amazing. So today you were on track in 3 different classes. What's the procedure in between rounds to cool the car back down and get it ready for the next race?
The procedure to cool the car down for every race is pretty much just hopes and prayers. Just get it cool. We ran True Street yesterday. The track wasn't all there, but we made it through. Got in the stick shift shootout. GT500, we qualified #1. We went to the semis from the quick 16, and we got kicked by a pretty fast car. And the track, not all there, but we can't complain. We did well.
That's a great job. Now you're running a TREMEC T56 in this thing. Tell us a little bit about the transmission.
The transmission's been tricked out by RPM. And yes, it's a TREMEC T56 with Liberty gears in it. Well, Liberty face plating, and just, but it's Magnum all the way, just very common that you could buy off the shelf.
That's amazing. So man, this thing really ran great. He's out here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. Thanks for coming out. It's been a great day for you, and we'll see you at the next race.